Now they post my picture, now they post me up, and now what it be? I thief, I be a keep person, I not buy anybody. I say I not go sleep with you, and now I talk. You get? Now wait till I talk with that one, and I get evidence. You get? Old fools.
After watching the blow whistle, they blow whistle. I said German for one time. German. I said German for two times. German. Go watch sir. I said German for half time. German. Other side, and together. German. Oh, miko.
The female soldier who made claims of sexual harassment by some senior officers says the army lied to Nigerians when it said she was mentally unstable. Now speaking exclusively to AIT's news on Wednesday, Ruth Ogunleye maintained she is mentally fit and that she voluntarily left military service.
Ruth first appeared on social media 10 months ago to decry the inhumane treatment she has been receiving from a senior officer known as Colonel Ishaku Abdulkarim. She shares her story.
Colonel Abdulkarim asked me to sleep with him at Gose Hotel at about 700 hours p.m. He asked me to sleep with him, which I refused.
What day was this?
On Sunday.
Date?
On 27th February 2022. So he called me to sleep with him, which I was very, very surprised. And army is against it. In the army, it's called frontalization. It's a big offense in the army. Ever since then, Colonel Abdulkarim will inject me with Lakati injection, put me inside caskets, popularly called body bag in the army. He will harass me, rape me, and at the end of the day, he will throw me inside psychiatric hospital to make it look as if what he is saying is true.
Ogunleye said she followed all due process to get the officer off her back, but it all fell on deaf ears.
I sought for redress. I went to human legal service. I went to military police to report him.
Was this after the first time, or it had happened several times?
Several times. The procedures, I sought for redress using and nothing was done. Nobody believed me. After injecting me, he would strip me naked and throw me inside psychiatric hospital. And then General Ibishelebo, Colonel Ogo will come there, they will be snapping me. Going to military police to report, nothing was done because he's my superior. I'm his subordinate. I wrote a redress and nothing was done. So I went to social media to complain on the 9th of January 2024.
After the video went viral, the Nigerian army set up a panel of inquiry. And 10 months after, the army absolved the officers involved, claiming that Ruth is mentally unstable.
The Nigerian army referred ex-private Ruth Ogunleye for medical evaluation at the National Hospital in Abuja, following earlier assessments made by the Nigerian Army Medical Corps that suggested potential mental health concerns.
But speaking exclusively to AIT News, a day after the army's briefing, Ruth Ogunleye said the claims are untrue. Are you mentally unstable?
No. I'm perfectly okay. It was just a cook-up story. They took me to National Hospital. They took me to LDLA. They took me to LDLA just to check to know if I abuse substance. And they took me to National Hospital for medical evaluation. And the result turned out to be negative.
What you're telling me now is that the army did not on its own discharge you?
No. I wrote a discharge that I lost interest because of the inhuman treatment they did to me. I'm very, very surprised that they still come online and cook up a story just to make me look as if I'm a man, that is just to tell the whole wide world that I'm a man person. I'm not a man person. They called me from national, the pension board, that I should come for pension. I was very, very surprised that I'm not eligible for pension. Why are they calling me for pension? So when I got there, I saw that they gave me 50% disability, that I'm not mentally stable.
Ruth is worried that her life may be under threat.
Sending people to unalive me.
She says she is only seeking for justice. Ihotu Okwe, AIT News Abuja.
Wow.
Ogunleye. Before I say anything in this video, I will want to say a big thank you to the Nigerian Army, to the Army Speakman, Brigadier General Onyemachuku, for taking his time to post me on all social media platform, newspaper, radio station. It's not easy. That is to show how special I am. That is to show how powerful I am. I really appreciate. I think I need a standing ovation for that. And it's no longer a news that I was discharged out of the army 15th June 2024. I want to humbly request that the Nigerian Army publish the outcome of the investigation that led to my discharge on all social media platforms, including radio station, all channels. January 9, 2024, I came on social media to complain on how I was harassed by Colonel I.B. Abdulkarim, General I.B. Sholobo, Colonel G.S. Ogo, how I was raped, how I was injected with Lacatine injection, how I was put inside casket, how Colonel I.B. Abdulkarim pointed gun at me, how Colonel I.B. Abdulkarim handcuffed me and kept me inside his office for some days. I also want to beg the Nigerian Army to post the outcome of the investigation on all social media platforms, so that the whole wide world will know what really transpired between myself and Abdulkarim and what led to my discharge. I'll be very, very grateful if you people considered my request. If you guys approved my request. I also want it to be published on all social media platforms. Same way I was published that I've been dismissed. And I don't have enough to say in this video. On behalf of I and my family, we are saying a big thank you for posting my name, Ogunleye Ruth. At the mention of my name, everybody began to speak in different tongues. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you, sir. Brigadier General Onyemachuku. Thank you. God bless you. Let me quickly tell you guys something. When they issued me that certificate, and it was written boldly, medical discharge, and the first person I sent it to was my father, and my father said no. My dad said no. These people are going to use this against you. Hope you are aware, they are going to use it against you. And you know, you people did case and investigation, and they are going to use it against you. And I told my dad no, that the chief of army staff is aware. He can never do such thing. He's our brother. Egbon wa ni now. You understand? He's our brother. Like, he's there. He will never do anything of such, because I wrote a voluntary discharge that I lost interest. I don't want anything to do with the army again. I lost interest in the job, and my dream were actually cut off by somebody, because I was dreaming to grow big, further up my educations. You get? So since I'm not progressing, since there's no progression, since I don't know, you'll be like I did stagnant. I was in one place. I'm not going forward. I know they go back. Man, I not cut my tongue. Yeah. So my dad agreed, and he said, okay, there's no problem. Since you said you trust chief of army staff, there's no problem. Fine, I agree. Fast forward to on Monday, and you people set up a conference, and you said Abdulkarim is innocent. I'm here to tell you, sir, Abdulkarim is not innocent. Abdulkarim is not innocent. There are videos, okay? Voice record, videos, everywhere. Abdulkarim is not innocent. I just want to let you know Abdulkarim is not innocent, and Abdulkarim never managed me. I was never managed. Are you getting me? I was never managed. Abdulkarim. Sir, let me even tell you what you did, the army spokesman, before I forget. Thank you very much, sir, for that great opportunity. You know, it was you actually came on social media to bring me down, to make me look as if I have nobody. Let me tell you something. I have somebody, somebody who is bigger than you. He's the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the one that sees the end from the beginning. He knows the end from the beginning. He's bigger than you. So I have it by my side. He's the God Almighty. He's the I am that I am, the Ancients of Days. So I have somebody. And secondly, you came online and you feel you host Nigeria. Nobody hosts Nigeria. Nobody hosts Nigeria. Nobody. We have only one president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and you are where you are today because you were destined to be there. This is your time. When it's my time to be there, I will be there where God wants me to be. That is how life is. Nobody hosts Nigeria. Nobody. We are all citizens of Nigeria. We all have equal rights in Nigeria. We have freedom of speech. This is Nigeria. This is our country. Irrespective of where we come from, Nigeria is Nigeria, and we are one Nigeria. So there's nothing there. And I also want to tell you again, big thank you. This is coming from me, from the depth of my heart. Thank you. And please stop being biased. Stop being biased. Stop being biased. It's not good. If you feel you want to hurt me, and you want to do something bad to me, go ahead and do it. Go ahead. But I want to let you know today that God is bigger than you. God is bigger than you. He is bigger than you because I know him very, very well. You might not know me in person, but ask anybody that knows me, ask people about me. I'm a very, very disciplined girl. I don't joke with God. At my early age, I lost my mom at my early age. So my relationship with God is, you don't know. I don't know how to say it, but thank you very much once again. On behalf of myself and my family, we are saying a big thank you for that great opportunity, for pushing my name outside, for making the whole wide world know my name. Thank you very much, sir. The army spokesman. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Shalom. Guys, let me explain what happened on Thursday inside Berekete radio station on Thursday. So I was sitting very close to the radio station. You know, while I was sitting there, so the ordinary president came outside and he asked me if I've eaten. So he bought everybody food, including me. So I was sitting where they instructed me to sit down, holding my food because I've already eaten. So I ate Indomie before I entered that place. So I was waiting for them to interview me, waiting for the ordinary president to interview me. So this thing I'm talking about around after 12 to 1. So thereafter, I saw Brigadier General Onuchukwu Oyema, the army speakman. I saw Captain, forgotten this man name, Yoruba guy. I saw one private soldier, a female private soldier. They were holding bottled water and some stuffed drinks. So they went inside the studio with the General Onuchukwu. So they entered the studio, and later the captain and the private soldier came outside the studio without General Onuchukwu. So then General Onuchukwu was still inside with the ordinary president. So while I was sitting where I was sitting, the female that was now pointing me that, see this man person for here. I had her. Everybody had what she said. Everybody, they had. If there is a camera then I made the camera display them now. Everybody had what she said. I ignored because my name is not manned. I ignored. So she went out. They went outside. All of a sudden now the captain met me. He was like, Ruth Bawoni. He now called me by my name. I was like, Sha Yenti Bajeni. You guys were here. You were making jest of me, laughing me, making fun of me. You guys were laughing at me. Then all of a sudden you are not calling me my name. For what now? So those people working with the ordinary president, they now intervened, and they now said I should just ignore anything that will happen. I should just ignore them. They now carry me to back seat, that I should not say anything, so that these people know they will not go and they should not go and spoil my mission here. May nobody say this man no come attend to me again. That I should just ignore whatever they are saying. That's how I ignored. I went back to sit down. So later, the General Nuchuku, I'm going to post the video here. The General Nuchuku passed and they left the radio station. So around 10:50 something p.m., I was called for the interview, and consultant Suleiman was there too. So when he called me for the interview, I narrated everything that happened. He now said, since the Minister of Women Affairs intervened, the ordinary president, that since the Minister of Women Affairs intervened, that they want to reach out to the Minister of Women Affairs first before they will do anything. That that should not come for now. That they will get back to me once they are done speaking with the Minister of Women Affairs. And I said, okay, no problem. So I told her, sir, where are they? Are they spend money? Because I don't know how many days it will take for them to reach the Minister of Women Affairs. Are they spend money? Are they pay money for hotel? They pay bills. They buy food. He now instructed somebody to give me. They now sent 50,000 naira to my account. Gave me 9,500 naira and bread. Which I really appreciate too. So he now instructed Consultant Suleiman that Consultant Suleiman will reach out to the Minister of Women Affairs, and they will reach out to me. They will tell me when to come back. So I now told Oga Suleiman, sir, if in case you don't have the Minister of Women Affairs phone number, so I can easily send her number to you so that it will be more easier for us. He now said, okay, no problem. That I should forward the number to him. So I left, and that day my phone, my battery percent was already 3%, and in drive there outside the way for me. So I left the studio. On Saturday, I forwarded the number to the Oga Suleiman. So I was very surprised that people have been calling me that they asked me to come on Saturday and I refused to come. That I've been sorting. I sorted General Nuchuku online. That I'm a patient. I'm a psychiatric patient. I have mental illness. Whatever. That's what Nuchuku told them. Why would they pay me pass? There was nothing like that. You guys never asked me to come back. You people said if you people once you people reach out to the Minister of Women Affairs, that you guys will call me back. Now let me tell you, this video is for you. See, Onuchuku, you've bought it. You have bought it. Your children, your wife, all of you have bought it. See, except saying now you first buy me, buy. Except saying now first buy me. After all, everything you guys have done to me, after everything you guys have put me through, you understand? We see all those bandits that they learn. Sure you get now, bandits that they learn. You get me. I will not come for anybody. I will come for you. All of now wanna hurt me. You where I be rape small children. You where do me all human treatment. You will give me injection. You will put me for inside casket. You will do me everything. All those human treatment when I do me. All of you have bought it. You guys have bought it. Onuchuku, you have bought it. You understand? All of you have bought it. This time around, I'm ready. I will do more. Now, I will be posting evidence online. I'll be posting evidence online. The best way I go do now, I can't buy me. I see the Abuja. Man, I can't buy me. I know they fear now. See people now say, go to human rights, go to human rights, go to human rights. Sir, you can check your camera, what happened in your office. I'm talking to the Bekete, ordinary president. You can check your camera, your place, check what happened that very day. If nobody brief you what happened, check how they stigmatize me. They say stigma again. I came to your office to look for solution so that the whole stigma will stop. No. If you, before I will come online to insult Jenny, do you know what they've done to me? Do you know? Now, you never will hear from me. You never will hear my whole part of the story. You don't they conclude. That's what they do for the Berekete family. Because I've bought it too. You will gain for my downfall. You will treat me. You will sabi rape people. You will sabi inject people. You will sabi do everything to people. Because I've bought it. Because I've bought it. By this time, anything I do now is justified. At least I don't talk. Nigerians don't hear me. So if I can't turn to beast now, no problem. No fucking problem. Pay me for the whole thing be saying, the ordinary president, because they talk say he asked me to come on Saturday, I no agree come. Which kind of lie be that one? Which kind of lie be that? That's a lie from a pit of hell. Which kind of lie? That is why every time they go anywhere, but they only they put my phone for record because I know they for say you don't talk, you can't say you don't talk. I know they like her. My phone is always on record. Which kind of lie be that one? Which kind of lie be that? Say you tell me to come and on Saturday I did not come. That one they would see. Man, tell you something. I left Berekete office that Thursday. I left there around to 12 midnight. I reached where they stay to 1. Because why they say far from the Berekete office. You get. When you go talk say they don't tell you, they don't go bribe you. Talk them, make them shame. Say you they fear me. You fear them power. I thought you said this place is human rights. You fight for people who are voiceless. Then okay, this is what he told me. He said, okay, yeah now. And that the what did they call it myself? That since the Minister of Women Affairs don't come enter the matter before, that they should just they should allow they will inform the Minister of Women Affairs, and later he now even tell somebody, like he now hand over me to somebody, a consultant called Suleiman there, that Suleiman will, once they finish talking with the Minister of Women Affairs, then he will call me to come. So which time they tell me say make I come with human rights, I no agree come. Me will spend 2 weeks for here now. They spend 20,000 naira for hotel per day. You go tell me say make I come, I no agree come. Why? Which kind of lie be that one? You talk about madness. You talk about madness. I wasn't expecting it from you. You went on live on Saturday, started saying that they said I'm a psychiatric patient. Started saying it online. That is very, very bad. It's unprofessional. It's a stigma. To you don't join they stigmatize me. I don't blame all of you now. And bad government, and I blame now. Bad government, where they don't care about their citizens. You get, if they care about citizens, I don't even know. Me for now, I will keep quiet. You now go see video for this life. You now go see. I never see sort of now go see different drama. She wanna say I demand. I've accepted that madness now. So I will show all of now madness one by one. Any of now one day involved with game for my matter. I go do una back one by one. Now go see madness now. Now go see pure madness where no what they do. Now una go see. I left there. I left the human rights place around to 12. No, after 12, now I leave that place. I reach house to 1. You go to tell me say, but you tell me make I come. After I've spent 2 weeks. 2 weeks spending money, paying 20,000 naira for hotel per day. You're telling me that you asked me to come and did not come. Which kind of lie? See, that lie pay me well. I be you get lost memory me. You see, pay me, you pay me. I hate say when person go you carry the talk. Talk say you they fear me. Talk say you they don't bribe you. Yeah, so you say you got the talk say you asked me to come, I did not come on Saturday. Which kind of lie be that one? That I was insulting. You will ask me. That is why I'm there. You ask me. I would tell the same ordinary person. I told you, people are tracking me. That is why my friend have to move me from your area. That place where the radio office is. And then my friend come move me, come where I did like this. People are tracking me. People are monitoring me. This is what is going on. I told you. Because they say I dey lie, say you ask me to come and they no come. People call the lie, they come, they blame me, say why you tell me say make I come and no come. Why I come Abuja? Come Abuja, come see man. I be I come Abuja, come look people face. Guys, my friends and we decided to, remain mute with this thing I'm about to say in this video, because we are trying to reach somebody, and we have been reaching the person because we don't want to we want to keep our evidence safe. You get, so we just remain mute. And my friend asked me not to say this on social media, but because this whole thing is getting out of hand, let me say it here. General Onyemachuku sent people to come and buy me. Sent people to come and buy me. Thank God for the intervention of some person that I cannot mention their name here. General Onyemachuku, if I'm lying, come and defend this one, yeah. You send people to come and buy me. I'm not. I decided to keep quiet. I'm not scared of you. You people have been sending people to come and kill me since. You get sending people, boys after me, to come and buy me. Are they lie? If I dey lie, come talk say I dey lie. Come online, come talk and say I dey lie. The same guy, the same person, this afternoon, my friend now called me that that they posted me on AIT, I don't know if they call those channels. General Onyemachuku paid people to post me on all social media platforms. Sir, I want to tell you that I'm very, very happy. Now fame they give me publicity. They make me popular. Easy. Easy. You see, because you are sending now the same you, the same people after my life, the same you again. The same you again. Now you go see same money, give people money, they post me for Twitter. Say they don't discharge me. I was discharged. I was not dismissed. I was discharged. I was not dismissed. So to tell you how special I am, you have to pay money to tell us not be my nude though. You see, I'm a very, very disciplined girl, a very disciplined soldier. Tell us not be my nude. You say me they post online. You get. I don't be like your wife. You get. You say me they post. You don't be my nude. Say me they post online. Now uniform, Nigeria uniform now I wear, and it's not easy. And I was discharged, and I'm publishing me on social media. You think I don't know what you are doing? After sending boys to come and buy me, I snap everything that happened. You understand? I snap and make I let you know, Seba. All the thing they do, I know. You get? I know. You not be God. God pass all of you now. God pass all of you now. You don't be God. You hear me now? You not be God. Sure they get me now. You not be God. Now fame. You see that what they do? You give people they post my picture up and down. Now fame they give me. I was discharged. I was never dismissed. But let me tell you something. If anything happened to me, after they enter the grave, as I dey enter, I dey carry you and your family, all of you now, we get my down for all of you now. I dey put you now for my grave, join all of you now. All of you now. As I dey enter that grave, by that day, all of us will die that day. Just have this at the back of my mind that any day where I go buy for this head, you go follow me enter that grave. If your hand meets me, if your hand meets me, no problem. No problem. Continue well. Contact us, not be my nude. I don't be a young girl. I know you're not be my nude. They post. Yes. You guys discharge me. Then you are not publishing it today. You see you. I know all your movements. Ejoko now. Let's be looking at ourselves. This is social media now. That we are not start and we'll finish them. We go see casting. All of you now. We go see casting for the social media. We go see. Guys, I'm calling out the Minister of Women Affairs, Honorable Uju Kennedy. Man, you are a mother. You are not just a mother. You are a woman everybody respects so much. Man, please come and say it. Come outside and say the way it is. Man, you requested me to leave the job, which I submitted my handwritten voluntary letter to you, and you submitted it to the army headquarters, to the chief of army staff, requesting them to release me to your office. And that is everybody, the psychiatric doctors were there when you intervene. I will start working with you, that I should write a voluntary letter, which I submitted to you, and you went to army headquarters to submit it. And later, man, please come outside and say the truth, man. Thereafter, the chief of army staff called me on the 1st July 2024. You called me on video call. Lieutenant General T.A. Lagbaja. I don't say my life not there at stake. You understand? My life there at stake like this. We are from the same state, no problem. You get? I felt I can just keep this for myself. You told me that you converted my voluntary discharge to medical discharge because you wanted me to benefit from pension and from other benefits. If I'm lying, I have evidence against you. I screenshotted everything that happened. You request for my nude, which I sent you my nude, and you bought me phone iPhone 14 Pro Max. If I dey lie, what to say I dey lie? So how you not brought me out? Where is the mental illness? You request, you change. Honorable Ju Kennedy submitted my voluntary discharge application, which I wrote I made that by myself. Why you according to what you told me, that you converted the medical my voluntary discharge to medical discharge so that I can benefit pension and other benefits. So how did you guys send a board for me? How where is the mental illness coming from? You said you were helping me because we come from the same place, and you request for my nude, and I send you my nude that day. Are they lie? I don't say my life. No, you people are be after me, no problem. You understand? No problem. But because now they make me they look as if I don't know how they talk. You buy forward. You don't be by the phone for me. Why you guys making me look as if I don't know what I'm talking about? All of you they after me now. One buy me. Mona can't buy me now. Now buy me finish now. I go clear. I don't really see anything for waiting I do. The only thing where me and they see for waiting I do be saying now they fear me. You guys are scared of me. Now they fear my evidence. You guys are scared. Because there's nothing I want to tell me. Imagine old fool with an animal uniform. They set up camera, set conference for small picky body. Me at my age, and they set camera for my body. That is to show that I'm a hero. You guys are scared of me. That is to show that there's something special in me. You understand? You guys set camera, put to life, post me, put me for all the old channel. Maybe they post me up and down. You guys are just giving me fame. You get nothing. They are giving me fame. Nothing. There's nothing there. I don't see anything there. Oh. I don't see anything there. Now una nude self dey my hand. Where I go post on social media. Oh. Now una nude dey my hand. You understand why I go post on social media? Now there's nothing there. You guys post me on uniform, on Nigerian Army uniform. I'm super proud that I was discharged. I was not dismissed. I did not commit any criminal offense. I did not commit murder offense. I did not commit any offense, and I was not dismissed. I was discharged honorably, and you guys gave me certificate for that. That is to show how powerful I am. That is to show how special I am. If you guys don't know, I'm your boss, I'm your godmother, all of you na mama. Now set camera, put microphone, give channel, punch TV, maybe they post me up and down. That is to show that me I'm a champion. If you guys don't tell me I'm a champion, Ruth Ogunleye is a champion. Now they fear me, nothing they there, nothing. Now they give me fame. You get, as soon I get fans, me say get fans too. Mona rest you understand? I could post all of you nude for this social media. Mona bet me. All of you about. She say when they gather on self, all those cargo, then they respect their self. When they HIV positive people, when they gather on self from one particular place, they call my name. They call Ruth. Now no they fear. Now they fear. That is to show how powerful I am, because I don't get work. Meduguri deo notice. So just they die for notice. Why not they post them online? I'm super proud of myself. Some of my mates died while we were in training. Deport Nigerian Army while we were in training, basic training. Most of them died in Northeast. Most of them died while we were in units. To God be the glory. I'm alive, and I was discharged honorably, and I was still published on all social media platforms. The whole world today know my name, Ogunleye. Me say I no small. I no commit any criminal offense. I no commit any murder. So why wetin make una feel say maybe now they post my picture, now they post me up, and now wetin be I thief, I keep person, I not buy anybody. I say I no go sleep with una now and talk. You get? Now wetin I talk with that one, and I get evidence. You get? Old fools.
After wetin dey blow whistle, na do dey blow whistle. I say German for one time. German. I say German for two times. German. Go wash yourself. I say German for half time. German. Other side, and together. German. Oh, mini coco. Hey.